Hey there, Jason here with two quick announcements. The first one is about GameDev Guild. If you're not attending though, don't worry, hang around to the end. I've got another announcement that applies to everybody. GameDev Guild I've already announced and it's coming on the 24th. It's an opportunity to meet Unity experts and get the tips and techniques that they're using today. It's going to be loaded up with actionable stuff that I thought was really interesting. But what I haven't announced is the pre-event. On the 12th, in just a week, we're going to be doing an event where you'll be able to get together with other developers, talk to some of the speakers and myself, and have just a nice, interesting pre-show time. If you're interested in meeting some of the other developers, meeting some of the sponsors, and meeting some of the speakers with a little bit of more intimate one-on-one time and some smaller conversations, we'll be in gather.town, setting up a nice little space where we can get together and just chat about game development stuff, ask your questions about the conference, and maybe provide a little bit of insight and feedback before we go live with the big event. If that sounds interesting, make sure that you're signed up. It'll be for the GameDev Guild Pro attendees first, and then maybe students depending on who RSVPs. I'll put an RSVP link down below in the description, and I hope to see you there. Now let's go on to the second thing, which is that after the GameDev Guild event, sometime in the next month or two, I'd like to do some open game dev meetups. I'd like to use GatherTown or gather.town as a source or a way to host some meetups for Unity developers where people can come in, give a little talk, and then have a normal meetup style event where you can get together, interact with each other, have little side conversations, talk about the thing that was going on there, maybe play some games, but probably mostly just kind of talk together. I'm thinking that maybe this will happen before the Game Dev show on Sundays, or maybe after that, or maybe some other time completely. I'm not really sure. But if you think that that would be interesting, that sounds like something that you would want to be a part of, I think it would be a lot of fun. Drop a comment down below and just let me know, or fill out the RSVP link and just put a note in there that you're really just thinking about the meetup side of it. That would be just a totally open, free thing for anybody who's into game development to attend. So if that's something that you think would be cool, hit thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and let me know. And if there is some interest in it, like I assume there will be, then keep an eye out and we'll probably kick that off in June or maybe July, but I think I want to try to get it in June as early as possible. All right, thanks for watching. I hope that one of these two things, if not both of them, are exciting to you. And make sure you go check out GameDev Guild and RSVP for the meetup if you're going to come next week. All right, see you soon. Bye. Ooh, I almost forgot before I wrap this up. If you happen to be an asset store publisher, maybe you're an artist who wants to be a part of this and maybe join in, have a little booth there and give away some little piece of art, talk about your art stuff there or your process of the asset store there, then send me a message, shoot me an email, drop me a comment, probably just send me an email and let me know because I'd like to get a couple more in there. I think that that would be something interesting people would like to see. I guess we'll kind of see from the form when you go fill it out. But if it is something that you're interested in or you just happen to want to sponsor the conference, make sure you send me an email. All right, thanks again. Sorry for adding that on at the end, but hey, gotta do it. The second one applies to everybody, so just hang.